Introducing the GRS artificial grass membrane. The smart layer between your surface and artificial grass. Start by leveling and cleaning the surface where the artificial grass will be installed. A flat base ensures optimal pressure distribution from the membrane and a clean finish. Roll out the GRS artificial grass membrane across the entire area. Make sure the edges slightly overlap to create full coverage. Trim where necessary for a perfect fit. Secure the membrane using artificial grass pins or similar fasteners. This prevents any movement during the installation of the grass. Now that your base is ready, lay the artificial grass directly on top of the membrane. The breathable, water-permeable membrane improves pressure distribution and prevents weed growth underneath. The GRS artificial grass membrane. Easy to use, high quality, and the perfect foundation for a smooth, long-lasting artificial grass installation.